Arrive in style with this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: air suspension, tow hooks, adjustable pedals, traction control, stability control, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.